day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I received yesterday an inquiry for a pair of, I can say, legendary Tesla full-range speakers from 70s, 80s. The Tesla ARO 666, 8 ohms, 5 watts only. Full range from 60 up to 10,000 hertz. Interesting is sensitivity 94 decibels. So I decided to record this video because I found that I don't have up to now here on my YouTube channel the video with these full range speakers. And as I always say at the end of my videos, I will say it a little sooner. If you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So let's try them.
And funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I
die. I must say, I love the sound of these speakers. They were used in professional boxes like Delicia. You could see some huge Delicia box here on my YouTube channel. I've recorded video with this Delicia about 1-2 months ago. And as I told before, the production started in 70s, but exactly these two pieces regarding the production code, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. OA. This is alphabetical 2 letters production codes of the factory Tesla Valašské Meziříčí. On old speakers there should be anywhere on the metal part from the backside is 2 letters alphabetical code, not on all types but on the most of them. And it means the months and year of production. The list of alphabetical codes from Tesla you can find on my website Angelicaaudio CZ. On the main page there is TVM Tesla. You click on it and then you will find it. you will find it there. So what does it mean, OA? It means the April of the year 1980. We have 2025, so it's about 45 years old, if I count it correctly. And let's try the second piece. So... So I believe that you like the sound as I do. 203 millimeters, and I love them. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and once more, if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.